Welcome to Chapter 2 for Class 6 Social Studies. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of oceans and continents, learning about the systems that sustain our planet. This video is presented by K. Suresh, an experienced educational resource person, writer, and television presenter. You can find his contact information and educational content details on this slide. Our planet is often called the blue planet because, from space, it appears mostly blue. This is due to water covering almost 3/4, or 75% of the Earth's surface. Land covers the remaining 1/4, or 25%. The distribution of water and land is not equal, a phenomenon known as hemispheric imbalance. The northern hemisphere contains the vast majority of the Earth's land masses, while the southern hemisphere is dominated by vast, uninterrupted stretches of ocean. Oceans are interconnected, forming a single, unified global ocean, as seawater constantly flows across conventional boundaries. The 5 major oceans are, in order of size, the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Antarctic, and Arctic oceans. The Indian Ocean is bordered by Asia to the north, Australia to the east, the Southern Ocean to the south, and Africa to the west. Within it lie the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Oceans are vital for the planet. They produce over 50% of the world's oxygen and generate the summer monsoon rains crucial for Indian agriculture and terrestrial life. Without oceans, Earth would be a lifeless desert. Marine flora, or plant life, includes tiny algae and dense forests of seaweed. Marine fauna, or animal life, ranges from colorful fish in coral reefs to mysterious deep-sea creatures. Tsunamis and cyclones are 2 major disasters at sea. Tsunamis are huge seismic sea waves caused by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions originating at the ocean bottom. Cyclones are violent atmospheric storms with extreme winds and rain originating in the atmosphere above the ocean. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, triggered by an Indonesian earthquake, reached India and 13 other countries, causing over 200,000 deaths. India has since developed the Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning System for detection and has national disaster management protocols in place. There are different models for counting continents. The most widely adopted model uses 7: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. Other models group continents like Europe and Asia into Eurasia. The Olympic rings symbolize the gathering of sportspersons from 5 continents: Europe, America, Africa, Asia, and Australia, representing the connections between them. Antarctica is excluded as it is uninhabited. Unlike massive continents, islands are small pieces of land completely surrounded by water. Greenland, the world's largest island, is about the size of the 10 largest states in India combined. India's archipelagos include the Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Antarctica is a massive, frozen continent. India's Antarctic program began in 1981, establishing Dakshin Gangotri in 1983 as India's first scientific base station. Teams of Indian scientists conduct research here, and the settlement even features a library and a post office. Historically, oceans have been highways for migration and trade, provided sustenance, and inspired mythology. However, modern threats like plastic pollution and resource depletion are placing the marine environment under immediate threat from human activity. World Oceans Day is celebrated on June 8th to emphasize the major role the ocean plays in everyday life. The ocean is the lungs producing our oxygen, the engine sustaining life, and requires the responsibility of protection from pollution. This concludes our video on oceans and continents. Thank you for watching. Thanks to APSSTF.